Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. To Miss Siti Nurhani binti Hasim. Today we are going to have a presentation about graph and chart for Communicative English 3 DUE 532. Before we start, I would like to introduce myself and my partner. My name is Nurhamizatul Aliah binti Abu Arkam. My matric number is 01D8020F2032. My partner's name is Ummi Tsaqifah binti Harman. Her matric number is 01D8020F2028. I hope you will enjoy our presentation. What is cancer? Cancer occurs when the cell of our body grow uncontrollably and spread to the other part of the body. Okay, now I will briefly explain about this type of cancer. First, liver cancer. Liver cancer is a cancer that can be found anywhere in the liver. It is a very important organ as it helps to digest the food and remove all the toxins in our body. Second, corpus luteum. Corpus luteum is a cancer that women suffer from because it is a cancer that can be found in the uterus. Third, nasopharic cancer. Nasopharic cancer is a cancer that occurs at behind of our nose and above of our throat. Next, cervic-uterine cancer. Cervic-uterine cancer is a type of cancer that occurs in the cell of cervix. This cancer is also affected by women. Then, prostate cancer is one of the most common type of cancer for men. Besides, ovarian cancer is a type of cancer that begins in the ovaries. It is also one of the cancer that affected by women only. After that, lung and breast cancer. Lung cancer is often experienced by people who smoke, especially men. While breast cancer is a cancer that often occurs in women no matter what age. As you can see in the bar graph, the vertical axis represents the number of new cancer cases in 2020. And the horizontal axis represents the type of the cancer. Then the blue bar represents female, while the purple bar represents male. Among cancer cases in 2020, liver and corpus luteum are the lowest at 1,401 for female, while 1,553 for male, which is 47% and 53%. The number of male and female with nasopharic and uterine cervix cancer is almost the same, which is only 1.08% difference. Then prostate cancer and ovarian cancer has been in the third position in 2020. The number of male with prostate cancer is higher than the number of female with ovarian cancer, whereby 54% over 49%. For colorectal cancer, there was a slight difference between males and female of 7.3%. There are significant differences between male and female in the case of lung and breast cancer. That's it, 4,493 or 36.4%. Last but not least, in the other cancer cases, female are lower than males, which is 9,135 over 10,185, or can be said 47.28% over 52.71%. Not only that, it is also the highest case compared to the other cancer cases. In conclusion, there were 25,587 cases of cancer by females, while 23,052 by males. From that, we can see that females have a higher probability than males to develop cancer. Therefore, to avoid getting cancer, we must make a checkup at the clinic at least once per month. It's better for us to prevent than to cure the cancer, right? That's all from me. I will pass to Ummi Tsaqifah to continue the presentation. Thank you for listening.
Thank you, Nurhamizatul. What a great explanation about the bar graph. Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Ummi Tsaqifah binti Harman with matrix number 01D8020F2028. I'm going to present about my chart, which is I have decided to choose a pie chart that shows us the number of new cases for cancer in Malaysia for both gender, female and male in 2020. So, let's get started. The pie chart illustrates top 5 most frequent cancers in Malaysia for both gender, female and male. For female, we have corpus luteum, cervix, uterine, ovary, colorectum, and breast. While for male, we have liver, nasopharynx, lung, colorectum, and prostate. These top 5 most frequent cancers for both gender, female and females, get the highest percentage in the pie chart, while the other half are from the other cancer. Let me draw your attention to the pie chart. First, take a look at the female pie chart. Breast cancer recorded 8,418 new cases in 2020, which is the highest among the top 5 most frequent cancers in Malaysia. Next, we move to the next pie chart, which is male pie chart. From male pie chart, we can see lung cancer recorded 3,925 new cases for lung cancers in 2020, while corpus luteum only recorded 1,401 for female, and liver recorded 1,553 new cases in Malaysia in 2020 for male, which is both of it are the lowest cases from the top 5 most frequent cancers. However, other cancers still part of the new cases in 2020, which is from male chart we can see recorded 10,185 new cases from the other types of cancer, while female we can see 9,135 cases from the female pie chart. Next, our focus is on prostate cancer, which is on the male pie chart. We will compare prostate cancer and ovarian cancer from the female. The number of new cases in 2020 in Malaysia for prostate cancer is 2,146, which was higher by 310 than female who suffer ovarian cancer. Next, we will see the same cancer that have in the both pie chart, which is colorectal cancer. From the male pie chart, colorectal cancer recorded 3,540 new cases, which was higher by 483 than female who suffer colorectal cancer, which is in 2020. That means colorectal cancer are mostly suffered by male to be compared from the female. On the other hand, what we see from the male pie chart, lung cancer recorded 3,925 new cases in 2020, while liver cancer recorded 1,553 new cases in 2020. Both cancer, which is lung and liver cancer that experienced by male, have experienced a difference of 28.35%, while in female pie chart we see corpus luteum recorded 1,401 new cases in 2020, while cervix luteum recorded 1,740 new cases in 2020. Both cancer, which is corpus luteum and cervix luteum, experienced a difference of 55.40% in 2020. Based on this pie chart, it can be concluded that liver, esophagus, lung, colorectal, and breast cancer are the top 5 most frequent cancer in Malaysia. These top 5 most frequent cancer in Malaysia conquer half of the number of new cases in 2020, while the other half suffer from other types of cancer. The total cases in 2020 are 48,639 cases for both gender, male and female. That means 50.42% suffer the top 5 most frequent cancer in Malaysia for both gender, male and female from all ages. So that means that is the end of my presentation and my partner presentation, Nurhamizatul Aliah. On this opportunity, we would like to thank to our English lecturer, which is Madam Siti Noraini binti Hasin. Thank you, Madam. That's all from us. Thank you for watching. Bye.